All right, round 3, you guys, at the car show here in St. Paul. An SS 966 over there. There you go. The hell of a nice vehicle right here. Look at that bad boy. Had a bra and a pop, $10.50. Hell of a nice engine, that bad boy. Go over here. It's a 66 Chevy Impala SS, so super sport. So you see those around. Yeah, hell yeah, man. Look how easy. I remember my fuel pump went on my 65. You got right at it, we could get at it, put it in on the bridge. And people will try to pretend it's an SS. You can put, this is what makes the SS. So that's what makes it. You got it on the ground there. Got a different radio in there, but still the big steering wheel. Hell yeah. So you can see a lot of cool cars as we go along here. We have a Galaxy over here. A couple over there too as well, but look at bad boy's Cadillac. A little 1011 Care on that bad boy. It's still nice. Big dog. That would not fit in my garage. This yours? What year? I like the old Cadillacs. Oh, Lincoln, I'm sorry. It's still nice. I thought it was a Cadillac, sorry. Oh, okay. But still, it's the big dog. I like it. I apologize.
Oh, no, you're fine.
I don't know all my vehicles.
A lot of people like to mistake Lincolns for Cadillacs.
Yeah, it's because they copied each other, kind of.
Quite the same, but
Yeah. No, it's 1011 Care, a little work on it. It's classic.
I'm actually gonna eventually I'm gonna do a full frame off restoration business.
Nice.
So
See, I love these vehicles. People walk right by them. I think it's great. You see, you can get some inexpensive Cadillacs, and Lincolns like that, but expensive.
Yeah.
Everybody wants those, and I get that, but these are classic.
muscle cars too, but I love the big luxury.
Absolutely, nothing wrong with it. What size engine? What size engine? What size
Right
engine?
now it's a Ford 400 driving right now.
All right, 400.
But when I started touring, I went for the big block 460.
When you're an animal, 460. Oh my goodness. Sorry about that. I thought it was a Cadillac, but what do I know? Just said, I don't know my vehicles out here. Street Machine Nashville, man. 20th day of July. I like some of these over here. These are classic ones over here, Monties. You don't see a lot of these Monties anymore around. This one's a classic Oldsmobile. Big dog, 350. But you don't see a lot of these. I had a 75 I got from my mom. The reason a lot of these were used in Enduros, and there's a big space between the fan, so you can take a shot. So a lot of these were Enduros. If you ever see one of these around, buy it. I think mine was a 70, same age, but it's nice. Big dog, man. 1977 Oldsmobile. Nice. Got the Boss over there. 340 over here. There's a 68 over there. See the round one. Mustang. Look at this bad boy over here. It's classic. Pop the hood, man. Dude, Padroni. Tell it needs a little work, but so what? It's nice. Look at that. Look at it. Very nice. Not an SS, but still nice. I take it. Beautiful. I love GTOs. That sucker. Nice. Hello. bad boy. Go look at that 68. Get by here. It's not an SS, but still classic. 327 in that bad boy. Little Tenderloin care. That shift on the ground there. I don't think it's an SS. I don't think so. Or is it? Let me see. Yeah, it is Super Sport. All right, a little rust on it, so it is a Super Sport. Nice. Very nice. You see a lot of older Impalas, a lot of older cars. Like I said, I never said I knew all my vehicles. Very nice. 129,000 this bad boy. Oh my goodness. 612-282-3621. 392 Hemi. I don't think so. Oh, this one, classic. Move forward. It's a Ranger. Wow. I've seen this one at the back of the 50s. Busted Rehab. For sale. 1952, 17,000. Nice. Look at that bad boy. I think you look good in there. I think you put her in there. I think you.
I think so too.
I think so. Put her in there. What the hell, man? They make them look like Lamborghinis. If you think about it, it's at the Lamborghini, like a baby Lamborghini, they call them. That's what they make them look like. That's what they're making them look like. You see them in the streets.
I always confuse them for Ferraris from the distance.
Well, I was talking to a guy down there, and I said it was a Cadillac and it was a Lincoln. You know, it's just I know some, not all, but I'm like, sorry about that. It's like not calling her the right name. You know, you mispronounce someone's name. You know, like Kathy the K or C. You know, I was on a cruise one day, and I go, "You spell your name with a K or C?" And the husband goes, "Does it matter?" And she turned like you're ready to kill him. It does matter. My ex-fiance was with a K. My wife's and his wife. It's like. I don't know my car, but it does give that look for Lamborghini. It does. Nice. Get over here. Continental. Oh my goodness. This is a classic. Big ass one. Jeez, look at that engine. Jesus. Oh my goodness. Look at that bad boy. And look at the citation here.
Looks kind of like the
They put the engine in sideways to save space. So the fuel pump is on the firewall. Classic. Nice. Very, very nice. Go over here. Go ahead. Look at this big dog. Look at that sucker. Oh my goodness. Chevelle on steroids. Oh my word. That's the interior. There you guys go. I'll just put it on, on a different frame. That's all you got to do to make it into 4 wheels. So, all right. Like I said, this is a really cool vehicle. So, anyways, we'll get on the next one. Take some pictures. But anyways, you guys, hope you enjoyed it. Boom.